Hi. Ke tlo dia trade review ya today. So London session, azanka tšea di-trades today, ke missile London session, mara ka kgona ho tšea di-trades tše pedi ka NY session. So trade ya mathomo ne ile loss, mara because ne ke splitile daily risk ya ka into two for today, then ke kgone ho ba le chance e nngwe ya ho tšea trade e nngwe wa bona. So just to tlhalosa bias, so today bias nearly bearish. So candle closure for on the more daily chart nearly bearish for the previous day. So the candle needs already lower below its previous day's candle. So today nik expect or le candle ya today close lower before ke ba overly directional change. Mara ke le fitla mola then ka kra lore ne shetse both the high and the low of the candle. So price action no for the day initially shaky could go either way. So I got the 1 hour chart because today next trader freedom model non red folder news day, part of the harmonic trinity, and then ngadia kadiang ka emela any sort of confirmation either go dim or go ya to the downside because on a daily ne the previous day's low, so ne ka ya dim if ne nyaka so then but then yeah closer lower on the hourly, so ne prove a little more stronger confirmation or okay price action is fast so ka diang ka go the 1 minute for entry ka kry azanka cry SMT for the first hour, so ka diang ka ema ka ba patient and then ka diang yari fitla to the next hour ka ya back to the 1 hour chart ka fetša ka diang ka lebella gore o dietšeng, so ka lebella gore okay price strategy below the previous day's candle na bile ka okay sharp, which means price is sale bearish, then ka boela morao ko the 1 minute chart ka emela SMT as long as le SMT ye sharp o bile le hidden SMT wa bona, that's when like price e tswalla ka week e sa tswale like ka body, so still ke sale SMT mara not really as good wa bona, not really an A plus setup mara le yona ke A plus ke A setup wa bona. So ntho e ka idea ka reng ka re okay ka emela TCSD confirmation ya ba gona ka tsena mara price ya yang yang weaker out ya hodimo price because nearly bearish, so price ya hodimo yang stopper out and then ya fast still, so next another chance service 2 because next split the trade times into 2. So then ka bona fair value ka emela entry which was fair value gap in this case, then ka no beya entry ya ka mola ka beya stop at the initial high yela e creatileng ka the week out wa bona, just to no prevent early stops wa bona, so then being like stopped out early namble ya fasinyana then price ya hodimo yang tega in then like ya move nyana then ya fast then dia take profit. So that's the trade for today. Ntho e ke learnile mostly today kore ke apply dilo tse ke di learnileng, so basically mabane ne ke ipotse gore ke tlo apply or ke tlo kgona update position size calculator sharp ke stick to the risk, which is ntho e ke di learn today ke tsene ka the right time in terms of the trading session ke ne ke le focus more charting, and then le ona ntho e ke dileng kore ke kgone update so after loss ele ya mathomo ke kgone update amount ya ka mo position size calculator. So advice ya ka if maybe like o leverage ke tsebe leverage mara advice ya ka kore o trader o be le position size calculator on the side or kgone o e manager and le yona o kgone ho gopola easy or okay if like maybe if you feel more than one chance ya ho trader mo daily risk ya ka mokgwa o e splitileng, then wa kgona ho update the amount or o sa tsena trade o ipureditše gore o sa na le the same amount of risk as the first one wa bona. So ke ntho e ke learnileng today ke a leboga o tšere nako ya ho lebelela video sharp.